Hook, grab them instantly. Show fast clips, person taking selfie, AI scan, prescription appears. 2026. You wake up with a burning fever. You don't call a doctor. You don't go to the hospital. You just take a selfie. 5 seconds later, a diagnosis, a prescription, and a delivery drone on its way. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is the future, and it's arriving faster than you think. 2026. Your doctor becomes an app. 5-minute visit, 5-second diagnosis. Imagine it. The year is 2026. That nagging cough you've had for a week, you open an app. Your phone's camera scans your face, your eyes, your skin tone. Its microphone analyzes your breathing, the sound of your cough. 5 seconds pass, not 5 minutes. Not 5 hours waiting in a clinic, 5 seconds. A notification pops up. Early stage bronchitis detected. Prescription for azithromycin generated. 3D printing at your local pharmacy now. This isn't just a fantasy. The technology is already here. And it's about to change everything you know about being sick and getting better. Right now, AI already beats most human doctors at diagnosis. You think a human doctor is the gold standard? Think again. Right now, not in 2026, right now. An AI developed at Stanford can diagnose skin cancer from a photo with the same accuracy as a board-certified dermatologist. Another AI from Google can detect breast cancer in mammograms with a 94% accuracy rate. It caught cancers that multiple human radiologists missed. Let that sink in. The AI is already better. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't get distracted. It doesn't have a bad day. It has analyzed more medical scans than any human could see in 100 lifetimes. What we're seeing isn't a replacement for a doctor's tools. It's the replacement for their fallible human eyes. By end of 2026, 70% of simple visits will be 100% AI only. So what happens next? By the end of 2026, experts predict a seismic shift. 70%. That's the number of routine medical visits that will be handled entirely by AI. No human interaction whatsoever. Your kid's ear infection, your annual flu shot recommendation, that mysterious rash, your blood pressure check, all of it will be outsourced to an algorithm. The doctor's office of today will become a relic of the past, a place you only visit for major surgery or trauma. For everything else, there's an app for that. And it is probably more accurate than the doctor you used to wait 3 weeks to see. Shut Thor 430, U6 over EU. Your medicine will be 3D printed in the hospital using your exact DNA. But the diagnosis is just the beginning. The real revolution is in the treatment. Forget one-size-fits-all pills. The future of medicine is personal, hyper-personal. In this new world, your AI doctor analyzes your diagnosis and cross-references it with your unique genetic code, your DNA. It then designs a drug molecule specifically for your body. Not a drug for people like you. A drug for you. And it won't be mass-produced in a factory 1,000 miles away. It will be 3D printed. Layer by layer, right there in the hospital pharmacy, or maybe even in your home. A perfect dose with maximum effect and minimal side effects. Tailored to your biology with a precision that was impossible just years ago. This is called personalized medicine, and AI is the key that unlocks it all. In poor countries, preventable deaths drop up to 50%. The benefits aren't just for the wealthy. In fact, the biggest impact might be in the places you least expect. Think about a remote village in sub-Saharan Africa, or a forgotten town in rural Asia. Places where the nearest doctor is a 2-day walk away, where millions die every year from things that are easily treatable: pneumonia, diarrhea, malaria. Now, imagine giving every single person in that village a cheap smartphone. Suddenly, they have a world-class doctor in their pocket, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for free. An AI that can diagnose diseases, recommend treatments, and guide local health workers. Initial models predict this could cut preventable deaths in developing nations by up to 50%. Half. Millions of lives saved. Not with a new miracle drug, but with an algorithm. No 730-09 BOO. The amazing benefits: no wait times, no huge bills, no human error. Let's bring it back home. For most of us, the benefits will be powerfully simple. First, no more waiting. The average wait time to see a specialist in the US can be weeks, even months. With an AI doctor, the wait time is zero. Instant access, instant answers. Second, no more crippling bills. A huge portion of healthcare costs comes from labor. Doctors, nurses, admin staff. When you replace that with a scalable AI, the cost plummets. A consultation that used to cost $300 might now cost 30 cents. Third, no more routine human error. Doctors are heroes, but they are also human. They misread charts. They prescribe the wrong dosage. It's called medical error, and it's the third leading cause of death in America. An AI properly trained doesn't make those mistakes. It just follows the data. Oh, the terrifying risks. But this perfect world has a dark side, a very dark side. Show these on screen with big, bold neon text plus countdown timer. What happens when the algorithm gets it wrong? A wrong diagnosis from a human doctor is malpractice. A wrong diagnosis from an AI. Who goes to jail? The programmer? The hospital? The company that sold the software? And what about your data? Your entire medical history? Your DNA? Your deepest health secrets, all stored on a server, a perfect target for hackers. Imagine getting a blackmail email, pay us, or we release your medical records to the world. And then there's the human cost. Millions of doctors, nurses, radiologists, and pharmacists, highly trained, dedicated professionals. Their jobs gone, overnight, replaced by a cloud server. And the most terrifying risk of all? A two-tiered system, where the rich get a premium AI or even a human doctor as a luxury service. And the rest of us? We get the free ad-supported version, your health determined by your subscription plan. Check the real future. AI becomes the world's smartest assistant, not a full replacement. But maybe the dystopian nightmare and the utopian dream are both wrong. The most likely future isn't a battle of human versus machine. It's a partnership. AI won't replace doctors. It will augment them. It will become the world's smartest, most powerful medical assistant. The AI will handle the 99% of work that is data and repetition. Analyzing scans, reading lab results, cross-referencing symptoms with millions of case studies, finding the needle in the haystack, presenting the top 3 most likely diagnoses to a human doctor, with the statistical probabilities for each. It does the brute force calculation, so the human can do what humans do best. Human doctors finally get time to listen, comfort, and make the hard calls. This frees the doctor. For the first time in decades, doctors will have time. Time to talk to you. Time to listen to your fears. Time to explain complex choices. Time to hold a hand and show compassion. The AI can tell you that you have cancer with 99.8% certainty, but it can't comfort you. It can't understand your values when deciding between 2 difficult treatment paths. It can't make the hard ethical calls. The AI will handle the science of medicine, so that doctors can finally get back to the art of healing. They will become the human interface for this incredible technology. The strategists, the counselors, the ones who make the final, critical judgment call. Final question, are you ready for an AI doctor? So the question isn't whether AI is coming to your doctor's office. It's already there. The real question is, what role do we want it to play? A complete replacement, a powerful assistant, a tool for the rich, or a doctor for the poor? This is a conversation we need to have right now, because the code is being written as we speak. The future of your health is being decided. So I have to ask you, are you ready? Are you ready for your doctor to be an algorithm? Let us know in the comments. We're dropping a poll. Vote AI doctor, trite, future, or humans only. Click 1. Start the debate, because this future is happening to all of us, whether we're ready for it or not.